Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. So in this video we want to eat our delicious food we prepare. Okay, so this is one of the swallow. It's on my YouTube channel how we prepare it. This is banana swallow. Okay, you see, so I want to, this is our soup. This is carrot stew we prepare. It's on my YouTube channel how we prepare this stew. This is jute leaf with tilapia. So we want to eat. Follow us as we want to eat our delicious food. With goat's meat. So come and join us as we want to eat. As you see, Philip is sleeping, so we are here. We are going to leave the Philip home. Wait. So
beautiful people, as you could see, we are about to eat our food. Okay, so Philip is feeling sleepy, so he's sleeping. Beautiful people, you are invited. This is a banana, unripe banana, okay, swallow with carrot stew with goat and tilapia. This is too. I'm gonna eat by yourself now.
Oh yeah.
What happened?
Yeah, for what Joe?
This soup is too rich and delicious.
This banana swallow, you see? Watch how we prepare it. This is nice.
The unripe banana is very nutritious. Very good for weight loss.
Mommy, no?
Drink water. Like, share,
Comment. Help us to subscribe. Sit well, no? No, don't bend. Fish.
Tilapia fish.
The taste of this tilapia fish.
Philip is missing. When he wakes up, he will eat his own. This kind of meal
is good for afternoon.
not only even afternoon, you can eat it anytime, even in the night. It's very light. But this is afternoon, this is our lunch.
Yeah. Wow. Motiyo.
Try to prepare this for your family.
Wow.
Very satisfying. The unripe banana, we make you not to eat much. See Philip. Yeah. Wow. So delicious. Don't let the soup touch your cloth. Do you like it? Don't put your hand in your eyes. Ṣé ti jẹ pọ̀ mọ́?
Mi ti jẹ.
Probably saw one pọ̀ mọ́ there. Beautiful people, thank you for watching.
This is our plate, you see.
Banana. Say bye-bye.
Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
So thank you for watching.
See you in our next video.
Bye-bye.
Don't forget to subscribe, turn up the notification bell to all.